Hey guys, this is Joseph from George Morales Dove Springs Recreation Center, and today we're going to be making the flapping butterfly. Okay, before we want to start, we want to give a shout out to Robert J. Lang. This is where we get the creations from for origami. And then we have the design by Deg Forelli, the flapping butterfly. Alright, so let's get into our materials. First, we're going to need some paper. Here I got origami paper and I got some regular printer paper. So if you don't have origami, you can use printer paper. And that's what we're going to use today. Also, you're going to need a pair of scissors so we can cut this down to size. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, throw that to the side. Now we got our square. So our first step we're going to do is we're going to fold the paper this side down. Just like so. Boom. So now we're going to cut right along this crease right here. Cut it into 2 halves. Okay, we're only going to need one, but you can use the other one to make another butterfly. So now, what we're going to do is fold this one long style, put this in to the bottom edge, just like that. And open it up. So now we have a crease down the middle of the paper. So now we're going to take this edge right here, we're going to make a triangle and put it to the center crease of the paper. Just like that. And we're going to do that 4 times for each edge. So we have 3 more times to go. That's 2. Three. And there's 4. Let me fix this one right here. Alright. So we got our 4. So now we're going to fold it right down the middle. Just like that. It should be like that. So now we're going to take this edge right here and we're going to put it to the end right here, just like so. But you don't want to make the crease all the way, you just want to make it in the middle, just a little bit, just like that. Just crease the middle a bit, just like that. Not all the way, just the middle. Then we're going to do it to the other side. Fold that back down, come to the other side, bring this top piece, top right here, and then fold the middle down just a little bit, not all the way. Okay, so now you see the crease in the middle of the paper right there. We got that on both sides. So now you're going to use your index finger and put it in the middle of the paper. And then you're going to fold it just like that. Your finger in the middle of the paper is going to make the body of the butterfly. So you're going to hold that down, press it down, and kind of form it to your finger so it gives the shape of a butterfly, of the body of the butterfly. Alright, so maybe that's good enough. I'll come here, put my finger right here. I'm going to fold the wing down just a little bit. Just wrap it around your finger. Just like that. Okay, let me do the other side. Wrap it around. Okay. So now that crease we made in the middle of the paper, we need to make it a little bit more pronounced. So we're gonna kind of fold it again and make sure it's there, right? Because this is where it's gonna come in. Put our finger back down the middle. We're gonna pinch the end and this end right here together, right? Just like that. And that makes the pinch right there makes the butterfly flap its wings. And now you could just fold them down just a little bit more to your liking. And that's how you make the butterfly.